Okay, we have little naked baby bunnies. I'm trying not to touch them, just the hair here a little bit. Yeah, which these ones here would belong to a different buck because, well, mama got loose. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, at least 7. Yeah, at least 7 naked little babies. Not touching them. I'll put the hair back over so mama's all good. But she's a good mom. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At least 8. Yeah, anyhow, babies. Cover them all back over without touching them. Yeah, see, she pulled her hair. But when we come down, we know she pulled her hair because, well, there's hair everywhere. See, hair there, hair along all there. Hair outside where it blowed, hair over there where they dumped their waterer. The mama is in the other tote. You can see where she removed her hair off her front legs and chest. But I can't, yeah, she's in there. There ain't no babies in there, just her. But you can see where she removed everything out. Anyhow, one set of babies. These are not a meat rabbit breed. So they'll be super cute and fuzzy. We'll have meat rabbits hopefully in the next 12-15 days.